Very happy to meet you students. In today's class, we are going to discuss about external morphology and anatomy of rabbit. Parasitic adaptation of leech. Leech suck the blood from the host through their pharynx. The second point is they have suckers, anterior and posterior sucker, which is used to attach the host body. Leech having three jaws inside the mouth, which make painless Y-shaped incision in the host body. Salivary glands of leech produce hydrin. Hydrin does not allow the blood to clot. So the blood supply is maintained. இந்த ஹிருடின் என்ன செய்யுது அப்படின்னா, அதாவது ஹோஸ்டோட பாடியில் இருக்கிற பிளட்டை கிளாட் ஆகாமல் மெயின்டைன் பண்ணுறது. ஸோ அப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும், கண்டினியூஸாக பிளட்டு அதாவது லீச்சோட பாடிக்கு சப்ளை ஆகிட்டே இருக்கும். Then parapodia and setae, these are the locomotory organ, so completely absent in a leech. Then blood is stored in the crop. கிராப்பில் வந்து பிளட்டு வந்து ஸ்டோர் ஆகும். ஏன் அப்படின்னா இது அந்த பிளட்டு வந்து ரொம்ப நாளைக்கு இருக்கும். ஸோ செவரல் மந்த் நரிஷ்மெண்ட் டு த லீச், அதாவது லீச்சோட டெவலப்மெண்ட்டுக்கு பிளட்டு வந்து ஸ்டோர் ஆகி ரொம்ப நாளைக்கு அந்த பாடியில், அதாவது கிராப்பில் ஸ்டோர் ஆகிட்டுருக்கும். அதாவது பிளட்டு வந்து ரொம்ப நாளைக்கு ஸ்டோர் ஆகிறதுக்கான காரணம் என்ன அப்படின்னா, இதில் வந்து ஒரு எலாபரேட் செக்ரேஷன், அதாவது டைஜஸ்டிவ் ஜூஸும் இருக்காது, ப்ளஸ் என்சைம் ஜூஸ் இந்த மாதிரி எதுவும் டைஜஸ்டிவ் செக்ரேஷன்ஸ் வந்து இதில் வந்து இருக்காது. ஸோ அதனால் என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா பிளட் வந்து ரொம்ப நாளைக்கு வந்து ஸ்டோர் ஆகிருக்கும், அதாவது லீச்சோட பாடியில். நெக்ஸ்ட் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் வெர்டபிரேட் அனிமல் ரேபிட், அதாவது ரெக்டோலேகஸ் கியூனிகுலஸ், இட்ஸ் அ ஜுவாலஜிக்கல் நேம் ஆஃப் ரேபிட். ஸோ இதனுடைய கிளாசிஃபிகேஷன், அந்த டேக்ஸானமிக் பொசிஷன் என்ன அப்படின்னா, ஃபைலம் இஸ் கம்மிங் அண்டர் கார்டேட்டா, சப்ஃபைலம் வெர்டபிரேட்டா, கிளாஸ் ஆர்டர் லோகோமார்பா, லேகோமார்பா, ஜீனஸ் ரெக்டோலேகஸ் and species Cuniculus. Next, habit and habitat of rabbit. Actually, rabbit generally timid animals. Timid animals means ரொம்ப பயப்படும், பயந்த அனிமல் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ இதனுடைய மூமெண்ட் பார்த்தா லீப்பிங் மூமெண்ட் அண்ட் live in burrows. Rabbits are distributed throughout the world. So they are herbivores. So they feed on only grass and some vegetables. So then they are also gregarious animals. That means they are moving as a group. Then external morphology of a leech. Actually, leech body is somewhat elongated and cylindrical shape. Male and females are same size. There is no size differentiation. Then they grow about nearly 45 cm in length, weight about 2.25 kg. So they look like colors vary from white to black color and white, from white to black and white. Body is covered with fur and body division. The body is divisible into head, neck, trunk and tail. Head look like a ovoid shape and flat, and it bears a truncate snout. Truncate snoutனா அதாவது வெட்டின மாதிரி ஒரு ஷேப் இருக்கும். ஸோ இந்த ஹெட் head look like a ovoid shape and flat, and it bears a truncate snout. Truncate snoutனா அதாவது வெட்டின மாதிரி ஒரு ஷேப் இருக்கும். In rabbit, head contains mouth, whiskers and external ears. These are all situated in the head. The neck connect head with their body. Trunk body is divisible into anterior thorax and posterior abdomen. In females, in thorax region there are 4 to 5 teats are present. In trunk, அதாவது பாடியில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 2 pairs of limbs. 2 pairs of limbsனா 4 limbs and hind limbs. They have pentatactile. அப்போ அந்த 5 fingers இருக்கும். So lung is covered by double membranous layer is called pleura. So atmospheric air enter into lungs through external nostrils, nasal passage into pharynx, then pharynx into glottis, and finally through windpipe. Then windpipe is enlarged to form larynx, that is called voice box. And the wall is supported by the four cartilaginous plates in the voice box. Inside the larynx, vocal cord is lies. It is, the sound is produced by the vibration of vocal cord. Voice box leads into trachea or windpipe. The tracheal walls are supported by cartilaginous rings, which helps in the free passage of air. So epiglottis prevents the entry of food into windpipe through glottis. Trachea is divided into two branches are called bronchi. So one entering into each lung and dividing into further branches is called bronchiole. Then finally end in alveoli. In rabbit, inspiration and expirations are respiratory events in which inspiration is an active process while expiration is a passive process. Rabbit heart is made up of four chambers, two ventricles and two auricles. So these auricles and ventricles are separated by interventricular septum. Auricles are separated by interauricular septum. So right auricle open into right ventricle by right auriculoventricular aperture, that is guarded by tricuspid valve. That means right side chamber having tricuspid valve. And the left side auricle open into left ventricle by left auriculoventricular aperture, that is guarded by bicuspid valve or mitral valve. It looks like a human being. They have similar type of structure. The opening of pulmonary artery and aorta are guarded by semilunar valves. So it is a mammalian structure. So human being, both rabbit also having the similar type of chambers, walls, all are same. Right auricle receives deoxygenated blood, that means CO2 blood from all over the body through inferior vena cava and superior vena cava. Left auricle receives oxygenated blood from lungs through pulmonary veins. Left ventricle supplies oxygenated blood to all over the body through aorta. Actually, rabbit heart is made up of cardiac muscles, which is located in the thoracic cavity. Heart is surrounded by pericardial membrane, which is filled with pericardial fluid. Circulatory system of rabbit is over. Next, nervous system of rabbit. Nervous system of rabbit is formed of central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, and autonomic nervous system. That means CNS, PNS, ANS. Central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system formed of 12 pairs of cranial nerves and 37 pairs of spinal nerves. Autonomic nervous system is composed of sympathetic and parasympathetic nerves. அதாவது பெரிபரல் நர்வஸ் சிஸ்டம் 12 pairs of cranial nerves. அது 12 pairs of cranial nerves means, ஸோ cranium அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம் அப்படின்னா skull, that means nerves arising from cranium, that means brain இருக்கு இல்லையா, brain எங்கே இருக்குன்னா cranial cavityயில் இருக்கும், அதாவது skull. ஸோ அங்கேருந்து ஆரிஜினேட் ஆகக்கூடிய நர்வ்ஸ்க்கு என்ன பேருனா cranial nerves. The 37 pairs of spinal nerves, that means spinal cord from the brainலேருந்து எக்ஸம் டிசன்ட் ஆகக்கூடிய ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரக்சர்னா ஸ்பைனல் கார்டு அப்படிம்போம். அந்த ஸ்பைனல் கார்ட்லேருந்து அரைஸ் ஆகக்கூடிய நர்வ்ஸ்க்கு என்ன பேருனா ஸ்பைனல் நர்வ்ஸ், அதாவது 37 pairs either side of the body. So already I told you, brain is located in the cranial cavity. So the brain is covered by 3 membranous structure is called meninges. So they are dura mater. Outer membrane is called dura mater, inner membrane is called pia mater, and middle membrane is called arachnoid membrane. So brain is divided into 3 regions. They are forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. It is also called forebrain, also called prosencephalon. Midbrain is called mesencephalon, and hindbrain is called rhombencephalon. The forebrain is consists of pair of olfactory lobes and cerebral hemisphere and diencephalon. So you can see the structure olfactory lobes, pair of olfactory lobes, then two cerebral hemispheres and diencephalon. Cerebral hemispheres are connected by a transverse band of nervous tissues called corpus callosum. It joins the two cerebral hemispheres. Midbrain includes only optic lobes. Hindbrain consists of cerebellum, pons varolii, and medulla oblongata. These three structures consist of hindbrain. So we can study in higher classes about nervous system and all. Midbrain includes only optic lobes. Hindbrain consists of cerebellum, pons varolii, and medulla oblongata. These three structures consist of hindbrain. Next, urinogenital system. This system consists of both excretory as well as reproductive system. So that is why we call it as urino. Genital means reproductive system. Urino means excretory system. First, excretory system. So excretory system is made up of kidney. Actually, the kidney is made up of several nephrons. It eliminate nitrogenous waste from the blood and excrete as in the form of urea. Kidneys are look like dark red and bean-shaped organs that are located in the abdominal cavity. So from each kidney, ureters are arising from each kidney, which open into urinary bladder, and finally it leads into open in the urethra. That's a reproductive system of rabbit. Actually, rabbits sexes are separated. Male female organisms are morphologically different. First of all, we have to learn male reproductive system. Male reproductive system consists of pair of testes which are ovoid in shape. So it is testes are located in the scrotal sac. So each testis consists of numerous fine tubules called seminiferous tubules. And numerous tubular structures form as a coil. Tubule is called epididymis, which leads into spermy duct is called vas deferens. Then vas deferens joint in the urethra is located below urinary bladder. So urethra run backward and passes into the penis. Is a male ejaculatory organ. So associated glands are namely prostate gland, corpus gland, perineal gland. So these are the accessory organs of male reproductive system which are involved in the reproduction. Mainly they secrete some chemical substance. Next we can see the female reproductive system of rabbit. So it consists of pair of ovaries which are a small ovoid structure. Most of the structures in rabbits are ovoid structures. So it is located behind the kidneys in the abdominal cavity. It consists of pair of oviduct which open in the funnel-shaped structure from each side of the ovary. The anterior part of the oviduct is called fallopian tube. It leads in the wider tube is called uterus. Uterus joined together form median tube is called vagina. Actually, the union of vagina and urinary bladder form urinogenital canal or vestibule. It runs backwards and open into the exterior by slits-like structure. Aperture is called vulva. The female reproductive system consists of pair of corpus gland and perineal gland. These are the accessory glands of female reproductive system of rabbit.